I'm just going to read what is written, and it is so poignant. Today, the times that we live, that this message resonates in so many human minds, and especially our leaders' minds. May I read just now? I had an occasion to visit Padua in Italy. There, I was taken to an old stone building, this here, which was built many centuries ago, named Palazzo della Ragione, built 1218, without any explanation. A man took me to the gallery, which is this place here. Suddenly, in my vision, I saw many people lined, spread before me. Suddenly, in my vision, I saw many people lined up, hung in the room. What was happening? Just then, the person who took me there explained to me that this was a room where they performed executions. It was not a ballroom. I saw many coffins of men, women, children filling the room. Eventually, trees grew. Each one of the coffins. The trees then became a forest. The birds were singing all around, and I started to cry. That's how this piece was born. That's the feature just here. It is the memory of every race, every country, every nation, every land. It is the memory of the genocide, the pain, the horror, the struggle, the healing. The dead wanted us to remember. I think our tears shall help heal the memory, not just the memory, heal the world that we have desecrated and destroyed, and the lives surrounding that has been pulled apart and torn apart. Will our tears collectively will heal the struggle, the pain, the suffering, the enormous, torturous situations that we have created around the world? I'm just continuing with my words. I don't think so. We humans have a very short memory. That memory is what gets us into becoming who we really are not. The monstrous inner compulsions that is triggering into becoming this aggressive nature. How are we going to heal? How are our tears going to make us realize something more important in our brief period here on this planet? Our existence only depends on every individual one of us taking an inward step and realizing our constructs, our thoughts, our emotions, our anger, our frustrations could simply be resolved by our individual inner step, inner healing, in our content of who we are in a brief and a temporary time on earth.